The term bond in relation to a judge typically refers to the judge's bond of good behavior or bond to perform their duties. This bond is a legal obligation that a judge assumes when they take office, and it requires them to perform their duties in accordance with the law and the ethical standards of their profession. If a judge engages in corrupt or unethical behavior that violates their bond of good behavior, there are several ways that the bond can be taken from them. These include disciplinary proceedings. If a judge is found to have violated their bond of good behavior, they may be subject to disciplinary proceedings that could result in sanctions, such as fines, suspension, or removal from the bench. Impeachment. In some countries, judges can be impeached for serious misconduct, which can result in their removal from office. Criminal prosecution. If a judge's conduct amounts to a criminal offense, they can be prosecuted and, if found guilty, sentenced to imprisonment or other penalties. It's important to note that the process of removing a judge's bond of good behavior is typically complex and difficult. They will say judges are afforded certain procedural protections, including due process rights, but if we are not afforded these same rights, they have none too. And allegations of misconduct must be supported by sufficient evidence. However, if a judge engages in corrupt or unethical behavior, it's important to hold them accountable in order to maintain the integrity of the judicial system and the public's trust in the rule of law. So I ask you, my fellow Americans, are our rights respected by any authoritarian power today? In court, are our rights honored or dishonored? We told them not to fuck around.